Все, смотрите, видео началось. Hello, how are you today?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Ага. So today you came for translation, yeah?
Yep.
Of what?
Today actually we came to translate our registered in the book of marriage.
Okay.
So we are satisfied. Thank you.
Okay. What do you study in the USA?
I'm studying at MBA in California University. So
Which year? How long have you been staying in the US?
actually, totally I'm staying on the USA 2 years.
You study with any scholarship like Bolashak or something?
No, just yourself.
Or just yourself? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. And how long will you be studying more?
Actually, I have a big plan. So right now I have a 1 year my study. So after then I want to get job on the Facebook because my real specialize is IT specialist.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.